If you want to sparkle on 4th of July, then check out these next earrings. Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today we're gonna make these 4th of July sparkler earrings. They're super, super easy, super fast, and they're so fun. They just sparkle in your ear, and they're just out of eye pins and head pins. So let's go over the tools and supplies you're gonna need for this project. I used a one-step looper. You can use a round nose plier. This is gonna be a lot easier if you've never made jewelry before. Either a chain nose plier or a needle nose plier. Eye pins, head pins, ear wires, and beads, whatever beads you want. I'm gonna go with this set because it just reminds me of 4th of July because it has the stars and all of these different color hematine beads that just remind me of fireworks. So let's get started. First, you're gonna take an eye pin and you're gonna start adding your beads. So I'm gonna start with these cool little purple ones. I'm gonna add 3 onto my eye pin. And then I'm gonna take that and use my one-step looper. If you've never used one of these, there's a little hole on the side, and you're gonna stick that piece of wire up where you see that hole. It's coming out the hole, but I'm gonna move it back to where it's just right at the hole. And then you're gonna line up your loop that's already made for you so that this loop is gonna be the same way. And you're just gonna squeeze it and pull that back just a little bit, and look, this tool is amazing. So now you're gonna just set that to the side. And you're gonna take another eye pin, and now I'm gonna add these little blue beads. I'm just gonna add 2. I'm gonna bring my one-step looper, do the same thing as I did before, go in between those little teeth, make sure your wire's just barely sticking through that hole, squeeze, and then I just pull it back just a tiny bit to give that loop the loop it's supposed to look like. And then I'm gonna take another eye pin and I'm gonna add on 2 beads, and you can do however many beads you want, whatever color beads you want, it's up to you. This is just what inspired me for 4th of July. Squeeze, pull it back just a little bit, and then I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna add 2 more little beads. Get my one-step looper. Squeeze, and if you don't have a one-step looper, you can do this with a round nose plier. Okay, so now I have all of these made. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this top one, and I'm gonna take that you can set them up however you want to, but you're gonna take that loop, put it on top of that set of stones, and then you're gonna take your chain nose plier or your needle nose plier, and you're gonna close that loop up. So it's gonna hang like this. And then you're gonna take that next eye pin, and you're gonna come on top of these beads and close that loop up. This is gonna be the top of your earring right here. And you're just putting that loop on top of each set of stones that you have on your eye pins. And then we're gonna take this last section, and you're gonna take that loop, put it right on top of that set of stones, and just close that loop. And then you're gonna come up to the top that's open, and whatever ear wire you have, I've got this little lever back that I'm gonna add on here. You just add that to the top, close that loop up, and now we're gonna go back and with our head pins and add some little dangles on the bottom. So I'm going to use these little stars because it reminds me of 4th of July. So you're going to take your head pin, slide on your bead. And so to make that loop right up against your bead, you're going to slide your head pin all the way down where your bead touches the end of your one-step looper. And then you're going to push like so, and you get a perfect little loop every time. So I'm going to do 4 of those. So add your star, get your one-step looper, slide it all the way down to where it hits your bead. Boom. And you've got your loops. And one more. Okay, so now you're going to go in and start attaching. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of push that together. You're going to go in where these loops are at the bottom of each of your eye pin. You're going to add a little star. Close your loop. Come down to the next one. I'm going to open my loop up. Slide that on. Close it up. Close it and add on the last one. And now you've got these cute little sparkler 4th of July earrings. And there you go. So this is what it's going to look like in your ear. And they're really, really light because you're using eye pins. And this is the length. You can always make it shorter or longer, bigger beads or smaller beads, whatever you'd like. This is just kind of what it looks like. So let's go back over the tools and supplies you're going to need. One-step looper is a game changer for this project. If you don't have one, you can use a round nose plier, needle nose plier or chain nose plier, eye pins, head pins, whatever beads you want, and ear wires. And that's it. If you'd like to pick up any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. What other jewelry would you like to see us make for 4th of July? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And now that you know how to make sparkler 4th of July earrings, you can say, I made this.